Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Leslie and
I'm Isabel.
and we are back with another video, you guys. So, finally, is your cough gone? Is it gone?
No.
No, I think it is. I haven't heard you cough today. I think Sabelle's oh, don't even try to start pretending now.
I'm not.
Sit back a little.
I wasn't intending.
I don't know about that. So, we are doing the soda no burping challenge. And we actually both have seltzer water. I just want to read the back for you guys. Carbonated water, natural flavors. So it's soda water pretty much, because we don't really drink soda here. Sabelle doesn't drink it at all. I do every once in a while with a burger. But anyway, so I was challenged to this soda challenge by the Chomp Queen. I know I'm super late, but you know, life just happens. So better late than never. We are here. So Sabelle has orange cream. And I just
Orange
have
cream.
lemon lime.
Lemon lime, orange cream.
It's not going to be so sweet. I'm just letting you know. She thinks it's going to be like Coke.
It is Coke.
No, it's not sweet.
It's.
I'm going to pour yours. Hold on.
Yours doesn't look good.
What?
I said yours looks good.
That's not what you said.
I said yours doesn't look good.
They both look the same.
Mine doesn't look good, just like yours.
All right.
Mine's spinning.
Oh, so Sabelle has the 1 liter and I have the 2 liter.
I wanted to be the 2 liter.
Come on. Cheers. Now,
Cheers.
we're not allowed to burp. Okay.
I
Whew.
didn't fart.
You gotta drink more. She took 1 little sip. All right, you guys. You gotta drink it slow. Let me taste yours.
No, then I'll taste yours.
Okay. Mmm.
Mmm.
Yours is good.
Yours is good.
That orange cream? I might start buying this. Does it have any sugar in it? No, just sodium. 5 milligrams of sodium. 0 calories.
We didn't burp, Mom.
This is so good. Alright.
You have to swallow the burp, Mommy.
Yeah, you're right. You do gotta swallow the burp. If it comes. Did it come yet? I didn't come yet. Mine didn't come yet.
Mine didn't come yet either.
Whew. This
I get a burp.
seltzer water is so Did she burp, you guys?
Cough.
I don't know about that. This is super carbonated, you guys. Oh my god. Alright. Whew. I thought I was really thirsty and this was gonna go good, but now I'm like not really thirsty.
Well, you wanted to do this channel, so drink it.
Oh.
Now I can drink. I get a burp. I didn't burp. A burp is
That's
really,
okay. When you burp, you out. That means you lose.
A burp is really loud.
When?
When you burp, it's loud.
Not all the time. So, you guys,
You're almost finished with yours.
I had to finish the whole bottle. I'm not almost finished. I'm surprised I didn't burp yet. This stuff is carbonated.
I guess Mommy's gonna win this game.
Ah, the burn.
I guess Mommy's gonna burn.
I'm not gonna burp.
I guess I'll burn. No, I'll never give up.
That almost made a burp come up when she said that.
I'll be true this time because I'm still drinking.
Okay, take your time. Just don't burp. I feel mine coming.
Your bird coming?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do a bird. It's not fair.
I feel it. No. Stop. I got it perfect in the camera. Oh, let me put it back a little bit, actually. There we go. I feel it. It's bubbling up. Let's see. You guys can't really see how much I drink. Oh, you can see now. You see it there, like down here.
You see how much I drink?
So, you can see how much I drank. And I have this much in my cup.
You see how much I drink. You see how much I have in my cup.
I don't think I'm going to make it much longer, you guys. Ugh.
Because you need to burp soon.
Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming. Yeah.
Ooh. The burn. It's like when you try to chug it. It's just burning.
I'm chugging it.
Yeah, you're chugging it. You're still drinking the first cup. You're not chugging anything.
I chugged it this time in the drinking.
Ah. Woo.
Burp.
Stop.
What? Mommy won the game.
I didn't burp. You burped?
No.
Okay, so nobody won. Ah. All right. So this is almost half. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right here. Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. You didn't burp yet? Oh, man. I can't do much more.
You're gonna burp soon.
Wow.
Yay! Mommy can't do that much more. No, I'm not. I'm gonna watch my cup.
It's coming.
It's coming. Did you swallow it? Ah! Oh, it shoots. Those would be 10 ones.
No pretending. You either burp or you lose, okay? I mean, you either don't burp or you lose. No pretending. I
did. That was in a burp.
All right, I'm coming. Oh my God, it hurts.
Because your back hurts?
Yeah, my back does hurt.
Hey guys, mommy's back hurts.
Okay.
Oh, the juice can go down when I'm
Stop. Don't do that.
The juice went down to my stomach.
Oh, I can't drink anymore.
Why could you not drink it
No,
anymore?
it hurts. Oh, my chest hurts. Everything hurts.
Stop drinking, I'll drink yours.
Okay. Thank you, princess. Oh.
I was drinking.
Oh my god, it hurts. I feel like I'm gonna throw up, honestly.
You lost.
Oh my god. Is that a real burp?
Yeah.
It was like she was holding it till I was done.
In it. Now,
Come on, this is gonna spill.
let me try again.
There is no try again. Oh my god. It hurts.
There's no try.
Don't do that. Come on.
There's no try again.
No, you burped. The game is over with. Oh man, I'm in pain, you guys. Whew. Ah. Oh, everything feels so full. Oh man. I'm so dramatic, I know. Oh.
You keep burping.
It was all those burps I swallowed. Oh. I need a tissue.
A little burp.
Alright guys, that was it. Sabelle won. She beat me. She held her burp till after me. Woo! I still got more burps coming, you guys. I was trying to hold out a little bit, but now. Anyway, whew, you guys, we miss you. We love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you guys for so much watching us during the channel.
Tune in next time.
Tune in next
I
time.
think we're going to do Chinese food.
Don't tell
Don't tell them. Okay.
them.
We'll see what we're going to do next time.
Yeah, we'll see. It's not going to be Chinese, guys. We're going to do a different one.
Whew.
Mommy has a lot of burps.
Yes. Oh my God. That was painful.
A painful burp?
Just the challenge. Everything was painful. All that bubbles in my chest. And
I have bubbles in my teeth.
oh, anyway, you guys. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.